Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Kia Sportage. These are fantastic cars. These are great value for money, in absolutely fantastic condition. Wheels just been fully refurbed. Privacy glass to the rear park distance control. Bodywork's in lovely condition. Boot area is lovely. Got the rear parcel shelf. Full leather interior with white stitch piping. Really goes well with the exterior. It's got electric windows. It's even got heated seats at the back. So spec'd up. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, lovely condition the seats are. It's done 209 miles. Start the car up, starts lovely. 6-speed gearbox, aux and a USB. Again, 3-stage front seats, hill descent, DAB radio. Rear camera, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Let's just have a satellite navigation. Aircon's blowing beautiful and cold. Oh, we've tested all our cars for that. Centre armrest, storage. Really is in lovely condition. Bluetooth obviously as well, and media pack. Auto headlights. UBL speakers. At DJH we're full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.